Hey everyone, my name is Janet, aka PerkiPerkins, and today on my channel, I'm going to be doing an AdoreMe unboxing and try on. So if you want to see what I picked up for the month of April and see how some of the items look, make sure you guys keep on watching. I have so much jam today. I have so many amazing pieces I want to share with you guys that I want to make sure to get this video going so that way it's not too long for you guys. But before I go any further, you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And if you guys do end up loving the video or anything like that, make sure you guys give this video a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite piece I unboxed today. Now, I would also like to comment that AdoreMe partnered with me once more in this video. Thank you so much to AdoreMe for working with me. I am so grateful because not only are they a great company to work with, they just have such amazing products. I really love them. I mean, my blouse right now, it's part of the loungewear sets that I got last month, and I love it. I got it in the two colors they offer. I'd also like to mention that AdoreMe did give me a discount code for my amazing subscribers. So if you guys would like to get your first lingerie, loungewear, whatever piece you pretty much want, you can get your first set for $24. That's an amazing discount right there on itself. It gives you a great opportunity to try AdoreMe because they have such an extensive product offering and sizing. For the most part, all their products go from extra small to 4X. And they're having constant drops like every week, and it makes me so excited every time I go to the app to find something. So if you want to try out AdoreMe for yourself, you can get a killer discount and get your first set for $24. But all right, everyone, let's get to it and let's start the unboxing. Let's go. This box is so big. Look at this. It's a little sneak peek. One of the cool things about AdoreMe is that they do package their products all individually like this. Like this is a lounge set, so it has the top and the bottom. I forgot to mention, if for some reason one of the items doesn't fit or it doesn't work out, you don't like it, whatever the case might be, they give you so many days to try out the products to make sure there's something that you're going to love and enjoy without like no questions asked. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You know what I mean? As I mentioned, there is quite a few pieces, and I do want to pop in some pictures of me trying on some of the pieces. I'll post the name of the product on the screen, and I'll also pop in the picture of me trying out select items. So here's the first lounge set, as I mentioned. I love purple, and it's so spring. So it comes with a t-shirt top. Has a little t-shirt top. And then it comes with these really cute silky bottoms. I absolutely love this set, but oddly enough, I ordered the wrong size for myself. I was supposed to go up a size, to be more comfortable. So I'm going to have to exchange these. But I still wanted to share them because they are available in different styles, and I've ordered these before, and I love them. AdoreMe has a bunch of different types of robes or camis and stuff like that, and I saw this one and I really wanted it. Oddly enough, I could put it on right now, so. This is kind of like a robe style, and it's available in different colors, and I really liked it because it has little pockets, and it's like lightweight and casual, so it doesn't look like a traditional robe, you know what I mean? This is a waffle knit robe, and it is so nice. And look at this, the sleeves have these little cufflinks, which makes it really nice, and again, it's available in different colors, which is great. And I like this one in particular because it's so lightweight. It's perfect for spring, summer, fall, maybe even winter, depending where you live. And it's such a like neutral tone that could work on anyone. And of course, it has pockets. Of course, I love the AdoreMe bras, and they just launched these cute little spring themed bras. I got one before during winter in like a burgundy tone, but look at this pretty powder blue. And it has like a nice little demi cup on top. It's a very soft padding, so it kind of gives you that little lift, but not too much, and it's not too heavy, which I love. These are very comfortable. Even though they're kind of like lacy, they're so comfortable, so cute, and I love the fine detailing on them. And again, it's available from like extra small to a 4X. So they have a very large sizing. Now, I needed to pick up this adorable pink lingerie set. I picked it up before in a purple, like a lavender, and look at this adorable pink. It is super, super cute, and it comes with a garter belt. Last month I ordered one of the sports bras, and they had actually ran out in my size for the bottoms, the pink one. I saw they had restocked towards the end of March, so I had to pick up the leggings. You know, you need the full complete workout outfit. These are I believe these are like full length or 3/4, something like that. But these are super, super comfortable, and you don't see through everything. I have these in almost most colors, and they just work great for, you know, working out or even around the house. And it has like this little pocket for your credit cards or your key. This is a great material that doesn't make you sweat when you put it on, if you understand what I'm saying. And they're just very comfortable, yet, you know, great to work out in. If you've watched my videos in the past, you've probably seen me unpack one of these. I've ordered this particular bra in every single color thus far. In fact, I ended up ordering a backup of this one because I love these so much. These are perfect for like everyday casual. And this time around, I decided to pick up the one with the slight padding because it's so cute. And oddly enough, the beige was the only one I hadn't picked up. Mostly, I think it was sold out for some time. So that's why I decided this time around I was going to pick up 2 of the beige to make sure I have them ready. They go perfectly under anything, and I really like the cut in the middle, and it gives you a great separation. Here are the bottoms. Actually, I chose what I believe is considered the bikini. Now, I love the material from these. One great thing about AdoreMe is select styles. They will offer you like, hey, would you like to add an extra panty to your order? Like that particular style, which is great. And it's usually like $6-7. It's very affordable in my opinion, especially with the quality you're getting. These are the only ones I haven't been able to do add-ons, and I hope they offer it sometime soon because I love the material. They're so comfortable. They're my favorite. In my last unboxing, you guys saw the black with nude lacy push-up, and I had to get the pink with, and I had to pick up the pink and the white because this is, again, it's so cute. It was so comfortable. I really liked the padding. I really liked how it lifted everything. It was very comfortable. I really love how these are made, and again, the little fringe on top, it was just so cute, very subtle, and it gives me a nice lift without looking overdone. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying with that. And again, and then of course the matching bottoms, because these are so stinking cute. Like this would be a perfect swimsuit style. Not the see-through, but if they made this into a swimsuit, it's like the, what is it, the 50s or 60s style, where they used to have like these hipster style ones with the little fringe and stuff. I would so want that actually. So this is the workout set I picked up. It has the V-style, it's a V-style legging, and these are just under the calf. Oddly enough, this is the first time I'm picking this one up, and it's so cute, and again, it's very flattering to the body. This is the matching workout top. This is a very unique look and style, so I thought it would be interesting. I believe this is considered like a light to medium support. It does have like a built-in bra and the material to hold everything together. I had to make sure and open this bad boy. So if you guys saw my winter unboxing, you guys saw me unbox this cute lounge set, which came with the sweater and bottom. I'm obsessed with the quality and the feel of the material. It's not too heavy. I don't get too hot or anything like that, even on warm days if I decide to wear it. And I saw they launched new colors, so I had to pick them up because our springs are weird. We get hot days, cold days, like 2 days in the middle, but like for the past 2 weeks it was freezing cold. Like I was still wearing sweaters, like heavy sweaters and stuff. Here's the bottoms, and of course it got pockets. Very beautiful It's very nice quality material, and what I really love is that the ankles are not too tight on me, because I do have thicker ankles, so I got cankles, and these ones don't bother me. It's nice and stretchy, and also they're comfortable because it's a thicker one as well. The way that they actually make the sets for these, it has kind of like a waffle kind of interior, which is very nice. It's what makes it, in my opinion, feel so breathable on the body because it's not super thick. But I love purple, and I saw they had a purple, so I had to get it. I got it. And then it comes with the super cute hoodie. This hoodie is super comfortable. Like many times I'll just wear this as my sweater because it's so comfortable, and it's a little bit kind of like crop top style, but I oversized, so it kind of fits me right at the waistline. The wrists have the expandable thing, and so does the waist. Personally for myself, I always try to size up when it comes to pajamas, lounge sets, and stuff like that, because I've realized it makes me feel more comfortable, especially if I'm going to be sleeping in them, or if I'm going to be traveling, it's a long distance. I feel more comfortable in those items versus getting it exactly fitted like what I would do for a bra or an activewear. That was the last item I picked up in my most recent AdoreMe haul. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Did you guys have any favorites from the items that I actually shared? And let me know if you guys are interested in picking up anything from AdoreMe, because not only did they give me the amazing discount where you can get your first set for $24, and again, it's not affiliated, so I make no commission. They have an amazing sizing options, especially from extra small to 4X. They have such an extensive product offering that I'm pretty sure you will find something that you truly love and will feel comfortable in, because that's the biggest thing is when we're wearing our lingerie or bras, we want to make sure we're feeling comfortable and confident. And that's the biggest thing for me is whenever I get any of the products from AdoreMe, I feel confident, I feel good about myself and beautiful. And if something doesn't make me feel that way, I'm thankful that they have an incredible return or exchange policy, because guess what? Even as a creator, they do give me that option, which I very much so appreciate. So make sure you guys check out AdoreMe and check out their VIP program, because it's an amazing program and you can get so many better deals, in my opinion, because they actually bring down the prices if you're going to be more than a one-time purchase. But you're able to skip or cancel at any time with no penalties whatsoever, which is another incredible part. But anyways, thank you so very much to AdoreMe again for working with me on this video. I greatly appreciate you guys so very much, and thank you to all of you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. Give me a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment. Take care, be safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it.